A video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of pop-up windows that are related to the website www.aoolv.xyz. Of course, when you look at this website, it doesn't make any sense at all. It says that it is some sort of a Flash player installation, but this is a typical deception. It's a fake software update alert. By the way, such pop-ups may happen and take place in Windows and Mac environments. So this is a fake message you should never trust. If you proceed and if you install this sort of a Flash player, if you click on continue installation, you will be forced to install a special extension called Quicker Tab, or the extension may be named in a different manner. But the point is that a lot of such third-party extensions are extremely dangerous. They may hijack your browser, they may change the default homepage, the default search engine settings, and even the new tab URL. Whenever people install this extension called Quicker Tab, their browser gets hijacked. So do not add this extension. If it was added, that is surely a mistake. You need to fix your browser immediately. You need to access the menu of your browser. Then you need to click on add-ons and disable and delete any suspicious add-ons that you see here. As you see currently, it's a problem to check the add-ons because our Firefox browser is hijacked. I recommend you to scan your system with Combo Cleaner, and it will help you to fix other browser-related problems and even to remove serious malware from your computer. Go to the page combocleaner.com, then download the software and start scanning your device with this tool to make sure it is free of any other threats. How to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type. However, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.